Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8T. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Enter lock screen password, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. First let's turn off password, and now let's start with numeric. As you can see right here, you can add 6-digit password, 4-digit password and 4 to 16-digit password. Let's set up only 6-digit password from this type because they are basically the same, only the length is the difference. So let's enter 6 digits, or 4 to 16 digits, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Then let's select alphanumeric and enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now let's go back and let's enter face unlock. Tap agree, confirm with your current password, continue, and now scan your face in this area. Tap done, and now when my face is scanned I can use it to unlock the phone. Then simply swipe and it's done. In the end, let's go to fingerprint, unlock, and tap the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and it's set. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.